Hello and welcome to the March Network stand here at Intersec Dubai 2025. It's a very exciting time to be here visiting March Networks, and we're going to find out all about the latest and greatest innovations coming out of the company. I'm here with Jeff Corrall, their Chief Product Officer. Jeff, thank you very much for having me here.
Thank you
for coming. It's a real privilege. Let's keep things simple. Let's find out exactly what's new at March Networks. Please tell our audience at home what you've got to talk about.
Sure. So in addition to a big software release we had at the end of last year, showcasing a bunch of new enterprise and security features, we're really focused on a new product called AI Smart Search that allows our customers to get a view into their entire organization with a few simple keystrokes using natural language.
Thanks, Jeff. And I mean, talking about this new product, it's pretty hot off the press today. How does this innovation enhance the speed and the accuracy when we're talking about video surveillance systems?
Well, for us, with our customers, it's all about helping them save time. So when they're trying to investigate something or learn something that's happening inside of their organization, the faster we can get them to the video that tells them what they need to do, the better. And generative AI and some of the analysis capabilities that have been coming out with generative AI over the past few years have really accelerated that. Now, our focus has also not just been on how we can help our customers find things faster, but how they can do it in an economic and scalable way.
Fantastic. And I mean, you talked about your customers there. How much of an impact has their feedback had on you as a company when trying to evolve this product?
It's actually the most important thing because, especially when we're looking at new technologies, we have, with our AI Smart Search, for example, really it's driven by the results that we've received from some large pilot customers that we've worked with, and kind of looking at the use cases that they have, refining them and making sure that when they enter that search, they're finding what they need. The more data we can get access to with the more we can partner with our data, with our customers to drive our solutions with their data, the better.
Excellent. I think it would be really great to see it in action. So I think we're now going to head over to Trevor Sinden.
That's right.
Who's going to talk our audience through the seamlessness of the product and exactly how it works and how it can be integrated with other systems. So thank you, Jeff. And
nothing better than seeing it.
Let's hand over to Trevor.
Okay.
And I'm now here with Trevor Sinden, who is the Middle East Regional Director for March Networks. Trevor, before we actually go and demo AI Smart Search, I think it would be really useful for you to talk to our audience at home about how March Networks ensures seamless integration when they're transitioning from traditional on-premise video surveillance to the cloud.
Right, that's a great question, Ryan. So we've developed multiple options for customers to migrate to the cloud. The first one would be our enterprise management system, which can be hosted in the cloud by us, meaning that they don't have to manage all of the back-end server infrastructure. And then we look at things like video. How do we get video into the clouds? And again, we've got some flexibility in terms of backing up all of the video to the cloud with a nightly archive, or maybe just selecting the important video in terms of motion-related or incident-related video. And then other things in terms of sharing video outside of the organization, maybe giving video clips to the police. We have a secure evidence archive solution that allows businesses to securely send a video clip through the cloud to the police.
Fantastic. So I think without further ado, let's get stuck in and see what this brand new product's all about.
Sure. So this is a really cool feature. It's called AI Smart Search. And it basically works similar to Google. So you can type in a search, or you can speak to the software and ask, show me any locations where there's a particular incident or scenario happening, and the system will bring back images showing you what you're looking for. So what we have here is a 70 location customer. It's a live system. So what I'm going to do now is go in and search for example, this is a QSR, and we want to see, do any of my locations have empty shelves in the store? So as you can see immediately, we've searched across 70 locations and we've come back with images of empty shelves in our store, which is obviously a revenue issue. So another example could be searching for health and safety or compliance related issues. So, as a retailer, I need to know if there's any blocked exits or boxes stacked up near an exit. So I can very easily come in and search for any stacked boxes. So the system will search across all 70 locations and immediately come back and show me any locations where we've got boxes that are stacked around the exit. And now I can go and address those locations to make sure that we're compliant. So one more example, again, health and safety. The system is that good. It can also find locations that have a wet floor, which again is a health issue, a safety issue. And we can see here different locations with wet floors. We scroll down, we can see health and safety hazard problems.